Mobil tow truck back. Here. Let's check this thing out here. Lights do work. All the lights work on it. Rear light. Reverse lights. This thing here is it's a Mobil 1 racer. But yeah, this thing here is car lift on it. I guess it is in the back. Wheel lift. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't know what year this thing is. 1995. Right there it says it. Right in the front plate. Let me see if I can get it for you. 1995. Right there. At 95, we used to have Mobils around here in Pennsylvania. But, yeah, this is one of the things I got at a yard sale one day. Yeah, lights working. Reverse lights. I think that's the only two sounds they make. But yeah, I wanted to bring that to you guys' attention. The Mobil tow truck's up. New batteries I just put in it today. Look at that thing. And look what else I got here. I got a Hot Wheels 57 Chevy. My wife says, it got the alphabet on it. I bet you somewhere in these letters here, if you look at it real good, I mean, you really look, and it say Hot Wheels. And look at this one. My wife's at the door. It's a riding mower. There you go. My wife was talking to me. I had to pause it a minute. But look at this Hot Wheels. It's a riding mower. I just spotted this thing today. Picked it up about 10, 15 minutes ago. Maybe half hour ago. But yeah, I wanted to bring it up with this tow truck. I didn't have the batteries at the time. And I finally got batteries today for it. Took three AAA batteries. So yeah, I'm putting her back in the box here. Eventually I'll take the batteries out of it. But I don't know what it runs on. I might have to look it up, see what it runs for online. I might end up selling the thing. Probably won't ask a whole lot for it, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, there's a short video for you guys. Appreciate you guys watching, and go check out Shea Bear 1000 and Monkey 1000. They both got some good videos they put on. Yeah, so tell them I sent you over there. I think they appreciate that. But yeah, so go subscribe to them. I'll put their links. I'll put a link in the description with their links for their YouTube channel, I guess you want to call it. But yeah, so check them out. They do some good videos. Both of them does. Monkey 1000, Shea Bear 1000. I like to get up to 100 subscribers. I've been trying to do everything I can to get good videos up, for you folks. Uh, and it seems like I'm stuck on subscriber 7, but that's okay. Uh, I got to work harder, I guess, at it. So, like, share, and subscribe to their channels. Once again, thanks for watching.